Are you looking for a high-quality, efficient, and safe blender? You're in the right place. Here's our top 3 list. Third place goes to the most economical option, second place offers the best value for money, and first place features our top-of-the-line blender. To make things easier, we found discounted links for each of these blenders so you can save money from the comfort of your home. These blenders were chosen based on top consumer reviews, ensuring great value. We'll highlight key details to help you pick the perfect blender, so stay tuned for all the tips. Starting with our most economical option. Discover the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. With a 700-watt motor and stainless steel ice saber blades, it's perfect for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. Its wave action system ensures smooth results, and the 40-ounce glass jar makes blending large batches easy. The easy pour spout and dishwasher-safe components simplify serving and cleaning. Features: powerful blending performance, 700-watt motor and ice saber blades for efficient blending. Wave action system ensures smooth blending by continuously pulling ingredients down. The convenient pour spout, drip-free pouring. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe jar, lid, and blades. 12 blending functions, versatile with functions like ice crushing and pureeing. Space-saving design, neatly wraps cord for storage. Check the video description for discounted links. Next, our best value for money option. Meet the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. With a 1,100-watt motor, it handles smoothies, green drinks, ice crushing, and soups. The hemisphere blade and bowl system ensures even blending, and the vac Q attachment, sold separately, enhances texture and flavor. It operates quietly and features a user-friendly LCD display. Features: powerful performance, 1,100-watt motor and surgical-grade blades for efficient blending. Versatile blending, 9 one-touch programs and 5 speed settings. Hemisphere blade and bowl system, ensures even processing. Vac Q compatibility, enhances texture by removing air. Quiet operation, advanced blade design for quieter blending. User-friendly LCD display, clear feedback and controls. Innovative lid design, easy removal and secure seal. Large capacity, 50-ounce BPA-free jug and inner measuring lid. Warranty, 3-year limited warranty. Check the video description for discounted links. And finally, our top-of-the-line option. The Vitamix 5200 blender offers professional-grade performance. With a 2-peak horsepower motor and 64-ounce self-cleaning container, it blends everything from smoothies to soups. The variable speed control and hardened stainless steel blades ensure consistent results. The self-cleaning function makes cleanup effortless. Features: variable speed control, adjusts for perfect texture. Large capacity container, ideal for medium to large batches. Hot soup capability, creates hot soups with friction heat. Hardened stainless steel blades, durable and effective. Self-cleaning function, easy cleanup in 30 to 60 seconds. Included accessories: motor base, 64-ounce container, tamper, guide, and DVD. Versatility, perfect for a range of recipes. Durability, 7-year full warranty. Check the video description for discounted links. Check the video description for a link to a free 30-day trial of a top-tier membership with perks like fast delivery, award-winning TV shows, and exclusive deals. Enjoy the benefits. That's a wrap on our top 3 blenders. We hope this helps you find the perfect model. Add your favorite to your cart and grab the special discount before it's gone. If any links don't work, let us know in the comments and we'll fix them. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.